Hi students. Next reducer is that is dibol. Dibol means that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It is also reducing agent. This diisobutyl aluminum hydride, it can reduce cyano group and acid chloride and acid groups and ester group. It is also very most important student. So that is structure of diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride, I am writing structure student. That is aluminum, this is aluminum surrounding two isobutyl groups, that means CH2, then CH, then CH3, then CH3. This is called isobutyl. Diisobutyl means one more butyl group, left hand side CH2, then CH, then CH3, then CH3 with one hydrogen. This is called diisobutyl aluminum, diisobutyl aluminum hydride, diisobutyl aluminum hydride structure. Because of left hand side one isobutyl group is there, right hand side one isobutyl group is there. Generally we know that butyl group is CH3, CH2, then CH2, then CH3. This is called butyl group. Sorry, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. That is butyl group is there, student. This is called butyl group. Isobutyl means what, student? One methyl group shifting to here, so that's why it is CH2 single bond CH, CH3, CH3. This is called isobutyl group. Here two isobutyl groups are there. One is left hand side, another is right hand side is there. So that's why it is called diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It is also act as reducing agent. It is also act as reducing agent, student. It can reduce student, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It can reduce first one, student, that is cyano group, that is it can reduce, that is cyano group. And second one is, student, it can reduce, that is acid chloride, student. It can reduce acid chloride. Now third one, student, it can reduce, that is acid group. It can reduce acid group. And now fourth one, student, it can reduce, that is ester group also. It can reduce, that is ester group also. These are the important properties of dibol, student. Dibol act as a reducing agent. It can reduce cyanide group, student. It can reduce cyano group. This cyano group is converted into aldehyde. It is also very most important, student. This cyano group in the presence of dibol hydride, it can reduce cyano group. The cyano group is converted to aldehyde. Then acid chloride. This acid chloride in the presence of dibol, it is also giving aldehyde, student. This dibol can reduce acid group. This acid group is converted into aldehyde, student. This ester group also, that is dibol can reduce ester group. This ester group is converted into one product is aldehyde, another product is alcohol. Two types of product will be produced, student. That is first one is we consider the major product only, that is aldehyde. So these four are the important properties of dibol, student. Dibol can reduce cyano group and acid chloride and acid group and ester group. All are giving aldehyde group, student. All these four functional groups are giving only aldehyde group, only giving aldehydes, but ester group it giving one product, one mole of product, one mole is aldehyde group, is one mole is alcohol group is formed. This is the very most important, student. It is a dibol is a I am giving some points, student. Dibol is a bulky reducer. It is a bulky reducer. Why? Because size is very big size. And second point, and dibol is a bulky reducer. It can provide hydride ion. It can provide H minus. It is very most important function. Dibol also giving H minus. That means hydride ion. It is provide H minus ions. And second one is it is a selective reducing agent. Selective reducing agent. It is also very most important point, student. So diisobutyl aluminum hydride act as a reducing agent. It can reduce cyano group, acid chloride, acids and ester. These four functional groups are giving only aldehyde group, only aldehydes. These all four functional groups are converted into aldehyde group. This is the very most important function. Now take the examples of Now take the one example for cyano group student. Now take the cyano group, that is CH3 CH2 CN in the presence of dibond hydride, it gives aldehyde, that is CH3 CH2 then CHO. This cyano group is converted into aldehyde. This CH3 CH2 as well same thing student. This cyano group is converted into CHO. And second one student, this CH2 double bond then CH single bond CH2CN in the presence of dibond. So here double bond is there. Double bond cannot reduce dibond, so it can reduce only cyano group. The cyano group is converted into aldehyde, so that is also product is CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 then CHO. This is the production. And one more example for acid chloride. This acid chloride example CH3COCl in the presence of dibond, it is also giving same aldehyde CH3CHO, CH3CHO. And one more student, this dibond only one, not one step reaction, it is a two steps reaction. And first step it will attack, that is the diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and second one is water. So first step is will attack, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride will attack. After that water is will attack. So it gives, that is aldehyde group. It is also giving aldehyde group. It is also giving aldehyde group. And one more example for acid group student, CH3COOH in the presence of dibond, and second one is water. So it is also giving, that is aldehyde CH3CHO. And the next one is, last one is ester group student. Ester group example, that is CH3COOC2H5, that is ethyl acetate in the presence of dibond, and second step is water. This ester group in the presence of dibond, it gives two types of product student, that is one here bond cleavage here, one is aldehyde group, one is aldehyde product, another one is alcohol product, that is C2H5OH. This is the important, this is very most important student. But ester group reduction with, when ester reduction with dibond in the presence of water, it gives one is aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, another one is alcohol. This is very most important student. These are the dibond properties student. Dibond, diisobutyl aluminum hydride, act as a reducer. It can reduce, that is cyano group, acid chloride, and acids and esters. These all functional groups are giving, only product is aldehyde. This is the very most important student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you. Don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.